If you are born poor, it's not your mistake. But you die poor, it's your mistake. Sometimes I stay silent because no words can explain what's going on in my heart and mind. Study hard for the day when you don't have to worry about price tags. Your positive action combined with positive thinking results is success. Free yourself from society's advice. Most of them have no idea of what they're doing. If two hearts are meant to be together, no matter how long it takes, how far they go, how though it seems, fate will bring them together. Live with the hope that tomorrow will be better than today, but also with the understanding that tomorrow may never come. Don't waste your time with explanations. People only hear what they want to hear. Maturity is when you know your goals is more important than love, relationship, and everything. Be yourself, no matter what other people think. God made you the way you are for a reason. No matter how bad your time is, never expect for someone will come help you. You are the one who by his own willpower can pick yourself up and make yourself better. If you're helping someone and expecting something in return, you're doing business, not kindness. Healing doesn't mean the damage never existed. It means the damage no longer controls your life. If he has only eyes on you, then don't worry about who has eyes on him, because a real man loves one girl in a million ways. I don't care how I look, because I have dreams to chase, not people to impress. You glow different when you have good people with good intentions in your life. Remember the reason you're doing this to make your life better. Death is not the greatest loss in life. The greatest loss is what dies inside us while we live. Believe you can, and you are halfway there. Behind every strong person, there is a story that motivates them to move forward. No one wants to support you at the start of your journey, but once they see your success, they all want to be friends again. Remember that. Sometimes, life's going to hit you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith, but be proud of yourself because you are doing your best. The more loving you are, the more painful it feels when a person fails to realize how much you care for them. There are 8 ways to calm yourself when life is getting tough. Walk. Clear your mind with a stroll for a fresh perspective. Indulge. Take a day off to do exactly what you want. Watch series, relax, or explore. Observe. Sit in a cafe or bustling street and absorb your surroundings. Give. Acts of kindness towards strangers can bring warmth and joy. Progress. Keep moving forward with small steps, avoiding stagnation. Sleep. Ensure 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night. Prioritize. Focus on what truly matters and decline unnecessary obligations. Play. Revisit childhood activities and embrace a lighter approach to life. See you again next video. So, until next time, stay in love, stay in happy.